It's not even the same truck. Let me make sure my arms are clean.
What's this?
I got a rag. Get me a clean rag from over there so I don't get dirt on my fancy brand new RV seats. Man, this is a major upgrade. The doors are done. They got a wind wing delete. I can see my mirror. I got a push seat where my butt doesn't get sore after 10 minutes. Man, and it's plenty high enough. In fact, I would like to get a little lower. I said a clean rag. That'll work.
AJ, there's some fresh water right there. Cold. It's very,
Look
but
at
that's
this.
very cold.
Man, look at this. I can just drive, have an increase, man. Ride, and collect the money. I don't have any shades. I don't know where they are. Oh, I got some. Here we go. There we go. Now I'm riding. AJ thinks I look crazy because I keep them up above my ears. This is what you look like after 33 years of driving a semi, AJ. I'm Big Belly. And you're who? Watermelon eater?
Little belly.
He's
No.
a little watermelon eater. Thanks to AJ, we were able to get these seats up here. I couldn't do it by myself, so AJ was a big help today.
And my elbow feels
He
like
turned
it's about to
into
come
a
up.
greaser, but he had to get up underneath this greasy truck and hold them nuts.
Yeah, well, my elbow feels like it's
I
about to
couldn't
break.
do it because I don't have 20-foot arms. Couldn't be under the truck and inside the truck at the same time, so. But now I'll have to, I got the hard part done. All I got to do is mount them now, so I'll have to get some new hardware and mount them. But yeah, man, this is pure styling. I'll have to get some power. I mean, I could ride with them just like they are. I'll get some power and adjust them to comfort. More coming.
Oh, I'm glad I was a decent help. My arm feels like
Did
it's
you
about to
plug it in?
explode. Yeah, I plugged the truck in. My arm feels like it's about to explode, bro.
AJ's back in his regular clothes.
Attire.
Oh, yeah, that's a fancy word.
That's 'cause
Attire.
we're, taking a break.
Attire. Yeah.
Did the hard part, now it's time to take a break.
Yeah, brought you some watermelon.
It's going to be 92 degrees, which is 105 degrees today, so you just take it easy. AJ will have that in the floor before you know it.
Well, we're not, I mean, we're not bringing it into the truck.